Hello traders out there in Trader Land, my name's Des here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, March 28th, 2012. Markets fall, putting the S&P 500 on track for one of its worst days in the last 3 weeks. Dow down 72 points, down 0.54%, the S&P down 0.5%, the Nasdaq down 0.5%, Russell's down 0.7%. You have the banks up though 0.7%. So financials doing exceptionally well in this bloody day we had today. And VIX was in positive territory until the last part of the day and actually went in the negative territory at 0.7%. So fear indicator actually looking bullish, and the banks looking bullish when everything else looking bearish. Gold takes a 1% hit, so did silver. Crude oil 1.3% hit. US dollar was up, dropping a little bit of 0.05%. Anyway, check this out. We're looking at the S&P daily per usual, but here's the thing. We're in this really tight rising wedge, and what happened today is we actually broke down below it. Last hour of the day or so, we rallied back. Check this out. The body closed right there on this line. If I pull up a line chart, you'll see support, support, and support. Not too shabby. If you draw your trend lines correctly, you're going to get some nice support and resistance areas that you wouldn't be able to find otherwise. And sure enough, we rallied right back up, giving us a support level at the trend line. Now here's the big time problem. On the MACD down here, if I pull in another line, check this out. This drop, and we're rising right here. So you have a bearish divergence taking place. We are right now at the apex of this rising wedge. We're getting really close to it, but look how tight this is being pinched. Stocks hate to be pinched. The markets hate to be pinched. It's coiling and building strength inside these two lines. So right now, as far as the technicals are concerned, we are set up for a big drop to the downside. The only way for this market to heal itself is really for it to bust up above this upper trend line to really start getting to some higher ground. And namely, it would be something, at least if we got up there, we need to go parallel with this line, really hitting this area. So we're talking 1440 is kind of an area to be shooting for. So it needs to at least do that to heal itself. The other thing this can do is go into what's called a trading range consolidation that goes sideways. If it can do that for a while, it will build a base, giving it something to launch from. So they're also called flying plateaus. Right now, oil is down to $105.50 per barrel. Gold at $16.61 and some change. The big news is what's going to happen tomorrow morning, 1 hour before the markets open. We have the GDP reporting. This is the third estimate. GDP. Wow, that's going to, all eyes are on that. We also have initial jobless claims coming out at the same time, but that will pale in comparison to the GDP report. So at this moment, I'm in all cash as we're going up into this tight rising wedge, because I think that we have a decent chance of a sizable correction taking place. Yep, you're hearing it right here at Grok Trade. However, if GDP comes out and beats estimates, look for a nice rally, and at that point might be looking to add some more longs. So anyway, there you have it. Take care. Safe trading to you. And always remember that trading education comes before trading books, trading seminars, or scouring the internet for information. You need formalized trading education, and we package that, and we do it with excellence here at Grok Trade. So save your monies and do not pay any more market tuition. Make sure you team up with us. We have great products for the great trader. So check us out. Take care. Safe trading.